In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Hubstaff timer not starting. If you're working with Hubstaff and find yourself unable to initiate the timer, don't worry. I'm here to help you sort it out with a few simple steps. First, let's start by ensuring that you're properly signed into the Hubstaff desktop app. Go ahead and open the app on your computer. Once there, check that you're logged into the correct Hubstaff account and organization. Sometimes it might be a case of accidentally being signed into the wrong account, which can cause issues with accessing your projects. Next, let's move on to selecting a project and, if necessary, a task. Ensure you're choosing an active project from your list. Depending on your organization's setup, you might need to select a specific task before you can start tracking time. Once you've got the right project and task lined up, go ahead and hit the start button again to see if that resolves the issue. Now, if you're still having trouble, it's time to check your permissions. Make sure that you have the necessary permissions to track time for the project you've selected. If for some reason you don't see any available projects, it's a good idea to reach out to your organization administrator to verify your access levels. The next thing to verify is the project's status. Sometimes projects can get archived or disabled, which would prevent the timer from starting. Double check that the project has not been archived or deactivated. If you're unsure, try selecting a different project and see if the timer starts with that one instead. If the issue persists, it's wise to restart the Hubstaff app itself. Completely close the app before reopening it. This simple process often resolves any minor glitches that might have been affecting the timer functionality. After reopening the app, attempt to start the timer once again and see if it's functioning correctly this time. Another crucial element to check is your internet connection. Ensure that you're connected to a stable network. Hubstaff is capable of tracking time offline, but connectivity issues during sign-in or synchronization can sometimes lead to problems. So, confirming your internet connection can be a key step in troubleshooting. Finally, take a moment to make sure your Hubstaff app is up to date. Software updates often include critical bug fixes and improvements that could directly address the issues you're experiencing. Check for any available updates and install them if needed. Once updated, revisit the app and try starting the timer anew. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of your Hubstaff timer not starting. Remember, getting the basics right often solves a lot of these common glitches.